subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to A to Z Tube. In this video, we are going to show you the top 10 amazing health benefits of baking soda. Number 1. Antacid effect. Baking soda is known as antacid. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes acid in the stomach. If you suffer from acid reflux, you know how annoyingly painful it can be. Drinking baking soda dissolved in water helps to neutralize the hydrochloric acid and eliminates the pain of heartburn. Number 2. Alkalize the body. The imbalance of pH of the body can cause serious health problems. The reason is that disease-causing germs or microbes will thrive in the acid environment, and also chronic disease like cancer, arthritis and osteoporosis are associated with an increased acidity in the body. So, drink a glass of water mixed with baking soda on an empty stomach to alkalize your body and prevent many health problems. Number 3. Prevents bladder infections. Baking soda may also help in reducing the risk of bladder infections. Bladder infection cases are common and caused by bacteria that breed well in the bladder. This is because these microorganisms thrive in environments which are damp and acidic. You can prevent infections like this by drinking a glass of water mixed with baking soda on an empty stomach. Number 4. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda is a popular home remedy for whitening of teeth and removing plaque. This is likely because baking soda has a mild abrasive properties that let it break the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. Number 5. Cleanses face and prevents acne. If you are prone to outbreak of pimples or acne, baking soda can act as a great natural cleanser. Because it is alkaline, it corrects any pH imbalance that could be causing acne outbreaks. Baking soda also has antimicrobial, antifungal and antibacterial properties, so it can help clean your skin thoroughly and protect from infections. Number 6. Reduces fatigue and muscle soreness. It reduces fatigue and muscle soreness by reducing acidity in your system. While you are exercising, your muscles start to build up more lactic acid so that you could still perform while working out hard. This is a limiting factor when it comes to performance because you will start to feel burn and get extremely sore. Baking soda can help to clear out lactic acid from the blood, and that can increase your stamina and delay fatigue. Number 7. Good for kidney health. Individuals that suffer from kidney-related problems, which are generally caused due to hypertension and diabetes, the amount of bicarbonates is reduced and their body is unable to neutralize and eliminate the acids from the body. In such scenarios, baking soda can provide the body with bicarbonate that it needs to treat the kidney-related problems as well as efficiently eliminate the acids. Number 8. Good for your hair and scalp. Baking soda can actually be incredibly effective for your hair, especially if you have oily hair. The baking soda will reduce the oiliness and also neutralize the bad odor. That's not all. The alkalinity in the baking soda will balance the pH level of the scalp, reducing dandruff to keep it clean and healthy. Depending on how much hair you have, mix 1 part of baking soda with 3 parts of water and apply the mix to your hair and scalp. Wait 5 minutes before rinsing it. You can also add about 1 tablespoon to your regular shampoo bottle and wash it with that. Number 9. Baking soda bath for sunburn. Spending too much time outdoors under the sun without proper skin protection can lead to sunburn, characterized by redness, itching and pain. Baking soda bath is an effective remedy for sunburn. The alkaline nature of baking soda soothes the skin and reduces itching, pain and inflammation. It balances the pH of the skin and speeds up the healing process. Number 10. Prevents body odor. Human sweat is odorless. Sweat only gains an odor when it is broken down by bacteria in our armpits. These bacteria convert your sweat into acidic waste products that give sweat its odor. Baking soda may eliminate the smell of sweat by making the odor less acidic. Try patting some baking soda onto your armpits and you may notice a difference. Moderation is the key to healthy living. Overconsumption do more harm than good. To know more about recommended daily intake, please click on the link in the video description below. What is your opinion on this? Please let us know on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.